guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet again another video. So for today we have another clothing unboxing and review, but this time is with a partnership with the brand Fioboc. Fioboc is an eco-friendly brand who provides high-end quality at a fraction of the cost of what luxury brands are charging us. Today I'll be showing you 5 pieces from their collection and just giving you a couple details, some thoughts about the quality overall, and also giving you a few shots of how these clothes look on body. So without any more talking, let's get started. The first piece I'm going to show you today is one of my top 3 favorite pieces from the ones I have here for today. So number 1, we're gonna start with this mock neck white t-shirt. I personally am a fan of mock neck or high neck t-shirts. I do like, like a simple neck, but if you allow me to choose this year, I just feel it elevates the outfit way more. And they did not provide you just like a simple white t-shirt like other companies. They're actually making sure to add, unique details on the clothing. That way it can pop more versus just a basic white tee. The other thing I like what they're doing is this kind of like design inside the shirt. It kind of gives me like Tommy vibes, I'm not gonna lie, but that's exactly why I also like it, This is something that is there, obviously that people cannot see that, but it's just overall the quality. The other favorite piece that I want to show you guys today is this zip-up jacket. Again, giving me some Tommy vibes, I'm not gonna lie. But that is exactly what I like about this jacket. Like a Tommy jacket will run for a few hundreds. This right here is right under 100. So, and the quality is premium. The quality is there. This jacket is somewhat heavy. And as a matter of fact, yesterday when I wore this jacket for the lookbook I shot, it was like under 40 degrees here in Nashville. And I was just wearing this with a t-shirt underneath, and I was not cold at all. The next piece I have right here, and another one of my favorites, is this mock neck. I believe this is like a khaki colorway. It's the same one as the white one that I showed you. It is just inverted. So this one right here has the white stripe on the shoulder, and it's khaki all over, where the other one was white, khaki stripe. Again, this collection, the mock neck shirts, there are only 2 colorways, so I got both of the ones that they offer. Same thing, this one is a size medium, fits very well, true to size, has some details right here at the bottom, and I love it. For this one, we could see a little bit better the logo for Fioboc right here on the left chest, because the white contrasts perfectly against this khaki colorway, where the other one, the white one, the logo is actually white, so you could barely see it. Same thing, just showing you the inside, size medium. It still has that nice detail right here, like that kind of like stripe, navy, white, and red. Here we have the back. Again, quality of the t-shirts, they are premium shirts. That is what they specialize on, just providing high quality, premium goods that will last a long time. Their company is eco-friendly, so again, you are getting what you pay for, basically. Moving on to the next 2 pieces. Right here we have a white V-neck shirt. So for those people who are fans of plain white t-shirts, this right here will be for you guys. This t-shirt right here, it's a very high quality shirt. The material will keep you fresh. I would say these t-shirts here are perfect for summer. These are more like airy, they're more like geared towards keeping you fresh during those hot seasons, So for the hoodie, I went with a size large. Same thing, I read in the description, which is very important for you guys to do when you shop online. try to read the description. That way you can see what the stores are saying about the fit. For this one right here, I read that it does fit a little bit slim. I went ahead and bought me one size up, and honestly, I can say I took the right decision. Had I bought the size medium, it would have not fit me the way that I feel comfortable with my body proportions. So again, size large. It's in this like beautiful kind of like brick colorway. I don't recall right now what the colorway is. It's gonna be on the screen. But this right here is one of my favorite colors to wear. I think it goes very well with my skin tone. And same thing with the details inside. We still have that nice lining in here. We got the brand tag right there, Fioboc, size large. Those strings are pretty high quality. They feel like those premium silky strings, you know. And we do have some branding right here at the bottom, right there. Also, the other thing to note about this, the hoodie does have pockets. It does have pockets right here, but the inner lining of the pockets, which I'll show you right now, like I can swear to you, this feels like silk. What I want to show you is basically the material that they use to make the inner pockets of the hoodie. This thing feels like silk. Like this thing is soft, very, very soft. And again, yesterday when I was in downtown Nashville shooting the lookbook, this hoodie here kept me warm. My hands, they were pretty much just getting dried out of how cold it was, and putting my hands in these pockets was the solution, honestly. So pretty nice quality. Again, if you're looking for products that are basics, pretty much, remember, you guys, for you to build a wardrobe, you cannot build a wardrobe using pieces like this. You can't wear this every single day with different jeans, different shoes, different jackets. No, it's the same graphic tee, it's pretty loud. No. For you to build a nice wardrobe, you need to start first with the base. You know, you need to start with the basics, and don't go and buy cheap ass basics, you know, from like your fast fashion stores. No, if you want nice basics that will last you a long time, you know, I can really suggest you invest in nice basics. You know, there's people who pay hundreds of dollars for basics from other brands. So save yourself some money. Check out Fioboc. Their website is gonna be linked down below. And if you made it all the way to the end, I really want to thank you, and I want to thank Fioboc for this collaboration. If it wasn't for you guys watching my videos every time I post, it doesn't matter how many people it is. Just because of you, the viewers, you know, I'm able to keep doing these videos, collaborating with brands. So I'm really appreciative of your support. Again, follow all my social medias down below. Everything is linked in the description, but if you do have any further questions, leave them down in the comments section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys next Saturday, 12 p.m. Central Time. Peace.